So when this mousetrap arrived in the mail, my kids thought I ordered pizza for dinner. Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this brand new mousetrap made by Catchmaster called the Spiral Mousetrap. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what it looks like. It's basically a rolling log style mousetrap that's already attached to a lid that fits on a bucket, and it comes with a spiral ramp that wraps around the bucket. It's a very clever idea and it looks like it's going to work well. So let's set it up and test it out. Now to set this up, it's very easy. Place the trap on the top of the bucket. There's a clip down here. You pull this down and attach it to the bottom. And now you have a perfect spiral all the way around. The mouse will come around, try to get the bait, it will roll and it will fall down. Now I don't want our pet mice to get hurt, so I'll give it a soft landing. Okay mouse, show us how this trap works. They'll walk up the spiral, try to get the bait in the middle of the rolling log, and when they do, it spins and they drop down. We'll try that with another mouse. It looks like it's going to work well. It's very slippery, but there's only one way to find out. Let's go set up the motion cameras in the barn and try to catch some wild mice. Well, last night we caught 4 mice with the spiral mousetrap. This ramp worked well, and so did the lid with the rolling log in the center. Now I put some sunflower seeds and peanut butter right in the middle. The mice would walk out there, try to get the bait, it would spin, and they'd drop down. So this trap worked very well. Now what we caught are a non-native species known as a house mouse. I can't let them go, so instead I'm going to humanely dispatch them, and we're going to feed them to wild animals. So let's go set up the motion cameras and see what wild animals enjoy a mouse snack. Well, it looked like the skunk enjoyed the mice we caught with the spiral mousetrap. Overall, it's a great mousetrap design. It's very easy to set up and it works. Bucket mousetraps are some of my favorite because they're low maintenance, they reset themselves, you can catch multiple mice, and you can make it a live or kill trap. For long-term use, I recommend a kill trap by adding water and a slight amount of soap on top. But if you're going to make it a live catch trap, make sure you check it often. If you want to purchase this trap, I'll put a link down below. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please consider clicking that button. I've posted over 700 videos on YouTube, and currently I'm posting new videos every Monday and Friday. So if you want to see the best videos on how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.